wines, chill to perfection using the Cold Front 30-bottle built-in single-zone wine cooler. You can store up to 30 wine bottles in this under-counter unit, which means you'll always have chilled wine on hand. Unlike most compressor-cooled beverage refrigerators, this model uses powerful circulation fans in conjunction with the compressor. This ensures that cool air is distributed evenly throughout, eliminating possible hot spots. You can quickly and easily monitor your wine's cooling progress by viewing the digital control panel, which displays both the set temperature and the actual unit temperature side by side. With a slim 15-inch width and front ventilation, this wine cooler fits perfectly under the counter, especially in slots formerly filled by a trash compactor. Dependable and understated, this wine refrigerator is ideal for the budding wine enthusiast looking to keep their wines chilled and ready to serve. Pick one up today.
Hi, I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar CWR 181SZ 18-bottle single-zone wine cooler. Now, this wine cooler can be used as either a freestanding or built-in unit. However, what makes it unique is its width. At just under 12 inches wide, it is the perfect solution for replacing that old trash compactor in your kitchen. The CWR 181SZ features powerful compressor cooling and has a temperature range of 40 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it perfect for either reds or whites. Finally, this unit does have a glass door that is totally reversible with a stainless steel trim and a stylish black dot tint. I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar CWR 181SZ. Pick one up today.